Hi everyone. My name is Aliya Shahzad by profession. I am a social worker in Canada, and my belief is, uh, that what will you receive, whatever you ask in your prayer, you will receive it, right? Or you dream, and you act towards your dream, you receive it. So I am thinking about the social impact of human behavior. Nowadays is coronavirus, or we are all bounded in our homes, and it impact uh, on our life a lot. Uh, we cannot make contact uh, to others, go out, mingle with the people, but the essential services what we are providing to the society is still there. They need it, especially in this crucial time. There are a lot of behavioral issues, and people are feeling that they are alone. So my strategy in this time of period, that make phone calls to your friends, say hi, and have a light chit chat with them, and don't make them panic that how many people are dying, how many. Yes, you can talk about precautions, and talk about some light chats. You make them laughter, talk about their strengths, uh, talk about what uh, good times you spend with them, how can they make their day in a positive way. So these are the things nowadays we are doing from home. We are calling people, hey, how is your day? What is your planning for the day? And you see that they're in our circle. Oh, okay, come on the conference call. And we do some positive things for the society, that what the essential services are available, and how can we reach, and how can we give the references to the people. And money wise, we are all very tight. We cannot help people, but at least we can give them emotional support to them. And this is the right time, I think, that you think about your lives, your environment, your loved ones, your friends, your work. And because we have lot of time staying home, and we can spend this time positively, and we can do some essential planning for our life. you know uh, Large number of people, they do not do planning. They start their journeys in different directions. After a while, they feel that they are good at this field or on this way, so they realize, oh, I'm good at this or that. This is the time we need planning to be successful. You must be clear, for your goal, and prepare for it. Means that preparing means that you start writing down the details, what you have in your pocket, right? Means that you need to planning, you have to clear in your mind what you want to do, what you make the changes in your recent careers, so you will be successful, you know And also, you need a willpower to accomplish it. You need to, you have to actually, willpower to accomplish your goals, because there are so many hurdles and in your way. How do you cope with it? This is the main point. If you cope with those hurdles, no matter what, you will be a successful person, and you can accomplish your goals. That is my message for today for you guys. And bless you all, and take good care of you, and have a blessed, day, and have a blessed this uh, time. Uh, Keep loving your loved ones, and take care. Bye.